Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brittle hair soft. First, let's understand why hair becomes brittle. Often, it's due to a lack of moisture, making strands dry and prone to breakage. Excessive heat styling, like using flat irons or curling wands daily, also strips essential oils. Chemical treatments, such as coloring or perms, can further compromise hair structure. Even your diet plays a role. Insufficient nutrients can weaken hair from within. Identifying the cause is the first step to recovery. To begin your journey to softer hair, focus on gentle care. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo and a rich, moisturizing conditioner to avoid stripping natural oils. When washing, use lukewarm water, not hot, to prevent further dryness. Try to air dry your hair as much as possible, and if you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray. A weekly deep conditioning mask will provide an extra boost of hydration, making a noticeable difference in texture. Beyond washing, consistent nourishment is key. After showering, apply a leave-in conditioner or a few drops of a lightweight hair oil, like argan or jojoba, to damp hair. This helps to seal in moisture and add shine. Protect your hair from harsh environmental elements, such as strong sun or wind, by wearing a hat or scarf. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase can also significantly reduce friction and prevent breakage while you sleep. For long-term hair health, consider your overall lifestyle. A balanced diet, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, directly supports strong, soft hair growth. Ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, as hydration impacts hair just like skin. Regular trims, about every 8 to 12 weeks, also help remove split ends and encourage healthier growth. Remember, consistency is crucial for achieving and maintaining soft, beautiful hair. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.